Hi, and welcome everyone to Tuesday Talks. This series offers relevant job search tips that are key in today's job market. I'm Leslie Stearns, Lead Talent Development Facilitator at Workforce Solutions Rural Capital Area, and today's topic is job search tips for the older worker. Are you an older worker seeking employment but feel that employers aren't contacting you for opportunities because of your age? Are you shortchanging yourself on job applications by clicking quick or easy apply? I have 5 tips for older workers who are looking for their next phase in their working career. First tip, don't hit quick apply. For every job application you submit, take the time and care to showcase your abilities. Hiring managers, recruiters, and the people selecting job candidates will notice when you do. So craft your resumes and job applications. Emphasize your skills, not just your years of experience. Better to omit the actual years. Just write about your abilities. Take a good look at the job posting and find those required or preferred skills listed. Pay close attention to your transferable skills and qualities you've acquired during your life. Skills you've amassed while in school or raising a family or in your working career. Skills like management, communication skills, and yes, even flexibility. You'll start to notice that employers are looking for these valued soft skills. Studies have shown that employees over the age of 50 particularly are reliable, detail-oriented, and patient. They also have strong leadership skills, problem-solving abilities, and work well without supervision. So utilize these highly desired skill sets you possess to your advantage on your resume, cover letter, to get you that job interview. The second tip, practice answering interview questions regarding your age. Even though employers can't legally ask you directly about your age, they sometimes ask questions during the interview to try to determine how old you are. An example question might be, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Don't say planning on retiring, even if you are. The best way to handle the question is to understand what the interviewer really wants to know. They want to determine whether you're likely to stay with their company for a reasonable length of time. So emphasize your career path. A smart strategy is to describe how you envision growing your skill set and advancing within the company. If they should hire you, plan ahead for the interview by practicing responses to questions that you'll be asked. That way you'll be able to spin the question to your advantage. The third tip, show that you're tech savvy. Talk about how you're staying relevant in the working world by continuing to learn new things, such as software programs or taking online courses. Take advantage of online learning platforms such as LinkedIn Learning, Allison, or Metrics Learning. Learn Excel, Microsoft Office, SharePoint, Google Drive, or Google Classroom. And talk about the ways you can use these tools for different roles. Fourth tip, address being overqualified. If you're downshifting your career, employers may view you as being overqualified for the job you're applying for. You can combat this perception by clearly describing your enthusiasm for the specific duties associated with that type of work. It'll help if you can reference how satisfying it was for you to carry out similar functions in the past. The fifth tip, show your willingness to work for a younger manager. Employers may have concerns about the willingness of an older worker to take directions from a younger supervisor. You can reassure employers by sharing examples of how you've thrived under the direction of younger managers. Your opportunity may come when you're asked about ideal supervisor. Emphasize your ability to share how you thrived with a variety of supervisory styles from your past. Be prepared to give examples of how you've been productive with different types of bosses. Maybe list 2 or 3 jobs that you've held in the past. Final thoughts, embrace your diversity. Age, no matter what the number, is an asset. Think of it as your stronghold in diversity. The truth is, diversity is thought of crucial in the survival of many today's companies. Those who boast customers and users that span generations. Whatever generation you're in, use your years of experience to your advantage to show that you understand and can serve the needs of a particular demographic. So market yourself well by focusing on your strengths while job searching. Remember, With age comes wisdom, perspective, maturity, and experience, both in work and life. Market yourself around these important qualities. Keep your skills updated and seek training if you're a little rusty or interested in adding new tools to your toolbox. Your age isn't in control of you. Your actions and attitude are. For more information on this topic, look for our virtual workshops. We have topics such as career transitions at 50 plus and ageism in job search. Head over to the events page on our website, workforcesolutionsrca.com, to sign up. You can also check out all of the services we offer and schedule a free session with a career counselor. Thanks for spending some time with me today, and as always, I wish you the very best luck in your job search.